I'm going to show you how to use a Photoshop action to batch process a whole bunch of images to change them all from 150 dpi to 200 and whatever it was, 54 dpi. So the first thing you have to do is download this actions file, 150 to 254 ppi action, and I'll put that along with this video on the network drive. So just download that and put it somewhere in your documents or in your downloads or wherever you can find it later. And then you want to open Photoshop, and it's here, open somewhere. There we go. And click on Window and open the Actions window, and that'll be up here. Then you have to import that action you just downloaded. So you want to go to the little menu in the corner and go to Load Actions, and then navigate to wherever you downloaded that and put it, and click on it, open it, and then it's in Photoshop, and it will stay there as long as you want it to. So you can use it again and again, and you should never have to do this part again, hopefully. So you can minimize Photoshop here now, and now the rest of it is going to be done in Bridge. So if you open Bridge, and you can do this on the network drives, you can do this on wherever you need to. I've just downloaded a few files so that I can show you how to do it. So I'm going to do it on this 3456 folder, which has a bunch of our images in it, and you can see they are all at 150 ppi. So we're going to make them 254. So first thing we want to do is go to the folder where you want to process the images and highlight all of them so they're all selected. And then you want to go up here to Tools and to Photoshop and go down here to Image Processor. Just click that and it'll open Photoshop again, and it'll open up this image processor box. So all you have to do is process files from Bridge only, and it'll tell you how many are there. In here you can save it in the same location, but we're going to make a new folder. So let's click that and click New Folder, and I'm just going to name it something like 254 ppi. Then that way I know which ones are the ones that we've just created. So click Open, and now it tells you 254 ppi is the folder it's going to put them in. Save as JPEG, which is fine. You can change this quality anywhere between 1 and I think 12, but 5 is fine. Whatever is there is automatically fine. And then down here it says Run Action. You want to, if it says Default Actions, you want to click the 150 to 254, and then again 150 to 254, because that's the action we just put in Photoshop. So now it will use that action on all of those images and then save them in that folder we just told it to. And then all you have to do is click Run, and it will go through, open each image, resize it, and you can kind of watch it doing it here as it goes through all of them. And it shouldn't take too awful long, depending on if you're doing it over network and how fast your computer is. But most of these files are pretty small, so it shouldn't take too awful long. And it should be almost done here. And there we go. Okay, it's back to Photoshop. And I'm going to flip back over to Bridge here real quick. And as you can see, we've got a new 254 ppi folder. And there's a JPEG folder in that, and there they all are. All the pictures are in there, and they've all been adjusted to 254 ppi. And you can even open one in Photoshop and double check it if you really like. I mean, for the most part, I trust it. Image size, and 254 pixels per inch. So it is good to go. Everything should be done, and that should do it. You can then just go back into Bridge and go to the next folder, or whatever you need to do. All right, thanks.